I shall share the theoretical framework to practice Zhineng qigong for healing ourselves and others. First, we need to relax our body, calm the mind and our emotions. And we can do a simple relaxation exercise as such. We relax our head, neck and shoulders. Sense the area around our eyes, our mouth, joints of the neck. We relax them. It doesn't matter how busy, restless we are. We just settle the mind with some relaxation exercise. And then in turn, together as one, we relax our upper limbs. It could be our neck, shoulders, elbows, and wrists. Pay special attention to the joints, the neck joints, shoulder joints, elbow joints, wrist joints. Bringing qi from the outer layer to the middle layer to the inner layer of the joints. When we can bring qi deep into the joints, we can relax them and heal them, restore them to a normal state, normal function. And now we relax our chest, back, our abdomen. We think of the organs in the chest, organs in the abdomen, big muscles of the back, joints of the long backbone. Again, bringing qi from the outer layer to the middle layer to the inner layer of the organs, of the muscles, of the bones, the joints of the long backbone. And now we relax our hips, thighs, knees, legs and feet, the right side and left side. Bringing qi from the outer layer of the joints, hip joints, knee joints, ankle joints, to the middle layer, to the inner layer. Now we think of the body as a whole, a complete unit. Breathing in, we let our mind go to the galaxy in all directions, into the infinite surrounding space, and breathing out, we draw our attention back into our body. In this relaxed qigong state, we shall be present. So for the theoretical framework to practice Zhineng qigong for healing ourselves and others, first we change our mindset from self-centered to unity with the universe. We need to relax both our body and mind to change our mindset. So we do a set of body relaxation exercises, and when the body relaxes, the mind follows, and our emotions become stable. We relax the body and calm the mind first before we can change our mindset. Why change from self-centered to unity with the universe mindset? In Zhineng qigong, we use the mind to bring in universal qi to the body. The mind and body have to be calm and relaxed to attract abundant universal qi into the body. For the next step of absorbing and transforming universal qi for healing both our body and mind, we need to have a positive mindset, one that is intuitive, that we can say tong, and habitual. We must change our usual doubting and anxious habit to one that is trusting and open to healing with universal energy, such as tong. The more consistently we practice, the more we can change our mindset from negativity to positivity. We must have confidence that we can attract and transform the universal energy to heal our body and mind. We trust this process to be a science, on equal with our confidence that when we press the switch, the light or appliance works. It is this full confidence that brings in transformation and healing. In summary, what are the main ingredients of Zhineng qigong healing? Relax our body and mind, and our emotions settle down when we are relaxed. Connect to the universe and universal energy as one. or change our frame of reference from self-centered to oneness with the universe. Positive mindset, intuitive tong with full confidence that qi healing is at par with scientific manifestations, such as switching on the light or working the appliances. We need consistent daily practice to relax and be in the qigong state, and use our mind to connect the body with the universe. All Zhineng qigong exercises develop oneness of our body, mind, and the universe, and oneness of the entire body, smooth flow of qi throughout our muscles, tendons, bones, joints, and organs, so that universal qi can penetrate deep into the body without blockages.